Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the 0-1 matrix distance problem. This is a very popular coding interview question often found on LeetCode. It involves finding the shortest path in a grid. Here is the problem. We are given a matrix that contains only zeros and ones. Our task is to calculate the distance of the nearest zero for every single cell in this matrix. We assume the distance between any two adjacent cells is 1. Let's look at an example. On the left, we have our input matrix. Notice the ones in the bottom right corner are far away from any zero. On the right is the output. The zeros remain 0 because their distance to themselves is 0. The ones adjacent to a 0 become 1, and the ones further away get values like 2, depending on how many steps it takes to reach the closest 0. A common first thought is to iterate through every cell. If we find a 1, we could launch a breadth first search from that cell to find the nearest 0. However, this is very inefficient. If we have many 1s, we end up repeating the same search calculations over and over. The time complexity becomes O of m times n all squared, which is too slow for large matrices. Let's flip our thinking. Instead of searching from each one to find a 0, let's start from all the zeros simultaneously and expand outwards. Imagine dropping a stone into water at every 0 location. The ripples, or waves, will expand and hit the ones. This approach is called multi-source breadth first search. The first step is initialization. We create a queue data structure. We scan the entire matrix. If we see a 0, we add its coordinates to the queue because we know its distance is 0. If we see a 1, we mark it as infinity or unvisited, so we know we need to calculate its distance later. Now we start the processing loop. While our queue is not empty, we remove a cell. We then look at its 4 neighbors, up, down, left, and right. If a neighbor has not been visited yet, meaning its distance is infinity, we update its distance to be the current cell's distance plus 1. Then, we add that neighbor to the queue. Here is how it looks visually. In the first stage, our queue only has the zeros. In the next stage, all the immediate neighbors of those zeros get updated to 1. In the stage after that, the neighbors of the ones get updated to 2. The algorithm spreads like a wave layer by layer until the whole grid is filled. This approach is highly efficient. The time complexity is O of m multiplied by n because we process each cell at most once. The space complexity is also O of m multiplied by n to store the queue and the output matrix. To summarize, the 0-1 matrix problem asks for the shortest distance to a 0. The naive approach of searching from everyone is too slow. The optimal solution uses multi-source breadth first search, starting from all zeros at once, giving us a fast and elegant solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.